Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County, northeastern Campbell County, northeastern Bedford County, western Buckingham County, Amherst County, the city of Lynchburg, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Neola to near Forest to near Bedford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Bedford, Amherst, Appomattox, Big Island, Band Creek, and Concord.